Goldbeard's mixing advice. You're not getting any tips. Today, I want to talk about how I think it's better to listen to the music that I mix in the forest than in the apartments. I meditated on it, and I think that it's because the apartments have different type of rooms, different type of acoustics, different type of reverbs, while in the forest it sounds the same in a way. I think that has to do with that I can hear the texture of the frequencies more clear, especially when I push the headset closer to the ear. But I can't recommend it because it can be dangerous to hear.